beautiful people, it's Courtney. Welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing another slime unboxing from a famous Slimer, and today, as you can tell by the title of this video, we are doing Ogslimes. As always, this is my 100% honest opinion, and I'm going to be telling you guys the good things and the bad things, if there are any, that I like about these slimes. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you would like me to keep unboxing famous Slimers and doing a review, and also let me know in the comments down below who you would like to see me do next. And of course, I can't forget our shout out squad of the video. These are coming straight from my Instagram, so if you want to be featured in an upcoming video, make sure to go give my Instagram a follow, and then also go ahead and leave a comment on a recent post and you could be featured in my next video. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get to opening this slime. Alrighty, so I ordered 3 different 6-ounce slimes and the total came out to $50, which some of the slimes were more expensive than others, but it comes out to almost $17 a slime, which I think is a bit on the high side for 6 ounces. That is somewhere usually in the more of the price range of 8-ounce slimes. So it did come with some candy, which I love to have some extras, and some borax and instructions. But as you can see, unfortunately, the orange one I ordered, which is the peach apricot punch, was leaking everywhere. So what I decided to do was clean this all up and still review this slime. However, I also reached out to their customer service. That way I could share my experience with you guys and see if they, resolve this issues. I sent them pictures and everything. As of now, I haven't heard back from them, so I'll keep you guys updated in the pinned comment if I end up getting a refund for this slime or what they resolve this with, or if they resolve it at all. So this is the peach apricot punch. It's a jelly cube slime. It was on the sticky side, so I did have to activate it. And I also noticed that it wasn't all the way full to the top. It didn't seem like that much had spilled out of it. And I usually don't compare it to the picture, but this one just to me did not look anything like the picture. It was a lot more orange. But besides that, let's go ahead and get into the actual slime. So let's talk about some of the things I did like about this slime. It did have a nice fresh, fruity peach smell. It wasn't too overpowering, and I loved the jelly cubes. I think they were a great texture, great size, and the perfect amount of jelly cube per slime. Next we have Pink Sugar, which is a cloud slime, and this is another one that unfortunately I just didn't think looked like the picture. Normally I don't even point out the pictures, but I think the difference was pretty different between this one and the last slime that I thought I should mention it. And then it was very, very hard. I had trouble just like pressing my fingers into it, but once I started playing with it, it definitely loosened up some. This had a really cool cloud texture, however, it was a lot different from anything I ever felt. It was really thick. It's almost like it wasn't made with instant snow. It sounds weird to say, but it almost felt like a fabric or a material texture. It was just really a lot more on the stiff side, and I don't know, it just didn't give me that same instant snow vibe, but I think it did have a really cool like falling effect to it. I did like that a lot. It was really fun once I got it nice and fluffy to drip it. But also it did have a nice smell as well. The smell is scented like pink sugar, so I really liked that. The smells were on point. This just had a very different texture. I wouldn't necessarily say it was bad. It's very different from a slime. I'm not really exactly sure how I would describe it. Alright you guys, this last slime is oatmeal chocolate chip batter, and this just redeemed this whole package for me. I wasn't too impressed with the first two, but this one was incredible. I'm not exactly sure why they were packaged differently since they were all the same 6-ounce size. I wish they would have all been packaged like this or all been packaged the other way instead of having a mixture. That's just kind of like a quality thing in my opinion. But this smelled amazing. It smells like cinnamon, smells like baking, just really nice. I didn't have to activate it at all, and it had just like the most incredible texture. I was in love with this one. Like, this was so much fun to play with. It had so many fun popping noises. I think the quality on this one was incredible. So this is kind of what I expected with the other 2 slimes, but I think those kind of fell short. This one, however, was amazing. I loved this one, loved the texture. I just have so many good things to say about it. Which slime was your favorite? Let me know in the comments down below, and let me know if you have tried OG slimes before and what you thought about them. As always, you can click on over to the side of me if you missed my past videos. I'm uploading every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday, so make sure to check back soon for another slime video or just a fun interactive video with you guys, and I will talk to you guys very soon. Bye!